Thank you so much for joining me. This is Dev coming to you with RC over Dosix Diecast Domination. And in this video, guys, I will be unboxing 1/18 scale Nissan Skyline R34 Z-Tune. This one is from Autoart, and this one has been meticulously crafted. Each and every single feature speaks quality. And not just that, guys, this is as close as you can get to the 1/1 scale Nissan Skyline. So let's try and unbox this amazing model. My first time getting into 1/18 scale, and not just that, my first time exploring Autoart by itself. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand. Now it's time that we unbox our own. Why Nissan Skyline R34? I'm a huge GAM enthusiast, and when the Too Fast, Too Furious movie came out, I was completely hooked with the car and also the character that the car had. And now, guys, we have this 1/18 scale in our hands. This is as close as you can get to 1/1 scale car. Every feature speaks quality, precision, and accuracy. If you want to have any clearance as to what this model brings to the table, well, this model brings as many features as you can ask for in 1/18 scale model. Amazing quality, great replica, and the intuition that you get from just the box itself, how the model is going to be, is on another level. So I hope you enjoy the content, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and let's get rolling. Alright, we also have a miniature 1/64 scale Bayside Blue PGM R34 Z-Tune, and this one have meticulous details, guys. When it comes to just your miniature piece, everything opens, and even the interior have complete details, and it's so decked out to a point where if I were to take pictures with this one, you would probably think it's a real replica. So there we have it, guys, and this is as close as you can get to a 1/1 scale replica. Now, when you look at this particular model, guys, the Bayside Blue paint is absolutely on point, and not just that, every little design and every little angle and cut on this car has been crafted to the meticulous perfection of 1/1 scale. There we have it, the engine itself, and have a look at those details, guys. Every single feature has been added to its perfection, and not just that, all the paint, all the parts, and everything within the engine, guys, this is just unreal work. That is the interior from the driver's opposite side, and you guys can clearly see the mat on the bottom, NISMO mat, the amazing dashboard replicated alongside the amazing seats. And also, when you move in just right in the dashboard here, the middle panel, guys, has been centered and has been crafted to an iconic 1/1 scale model. Moving on to the rear, they do have the split spoiler details, and also on top of that, the interior details of the trunk itself. Completely replicated, guys. I feel like putting a little mini subwoofer set inside. Moving on to the driver's side, guys, have a look at those speedometers and tell me that it doesn't look real. This is just on another level. Yes, it is a 1/18 scale. It is supposed to have a lot of details, but guys, when you look at this particular model, just from the distance that I'm sitting right now, there's no way on earth that you will feel that this is not real.